welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Okay, so today we are using the Blendiful by tatibeauty. I say Tati because I'm Latina, but it's Tati, I believe. So I'm opening it. I just received it today. This is pre-recorded, so I received it on January 17th, but this will go up on a Monday. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that as a thumbnail. So if I'm gonna do a full face with the Blendifuls, if you are interested in watching this, please stick around. So let me get this open. I'm just gonna open it like this. So I'm going to show you them and then I'll let you know the prices and all that good stuff. Oh, it's so soft. They feel so soft. Okay. She hasn't done a video like showing us exactly how to use it, like a step-by-step, but she did put her video up on... talked a little bit about it and what types of items that you could apply, so I'm going to go based off of that video. And yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about the Blendiful. So the Blendiful is the makeup applicator you didn't know you needed. We'll see, girl. And then this game-changing soft texture fabric tool is a blending dream that's designed to seamlessly apply and soften both liquid and powder products. The rounded edge and pointed tip help to provide a perfect blend step in your makeup application. Buff in foundation with a little product waste, experience seamless contour, smoother concealer, and the most airbrush powder application, even in those hard to reach areas of the face. Save products, save time, and become the expert artist of your own unique routine. However you choose to use the Blendiful, your look will be the one with no harsh lines every time. XO's Tati. Ooh. So that's just from the website. So from what I saw, she uses this for basically like mostly everything. And then she uses this, like you can keep this in your purse to retouch, like if you want to retouch on powder and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to start with a primer. And she did say to use a pore filling primer on this one, so I'm going to use this Poreless Putty Elf primer. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm going to take it on here. to do my bottom lash line, put some lipstick on, and then I'm going to come back with my final thoughts, okay? Okay, guys, we're back. So my final thoughts on the Blendiful. I literally only used this one, and I used it for primer, foundation. Oh, my nose is itchy. Foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight. I used it for all of that. I didn't wash it once in between, which is probably gross for you guys, but not for me because it's my face. So I love this. It was so convenient, and I just felt like it made the process so much faster because, one, there's really maybe a little bit of the product can go into it, but most of the product that you get, that you put on here, goes on your face and not into the item that you are using to put, like, for example, your beauty blender or your brush. So I use both beauty blenders and brushes, and I probably will still use them, say I'm washing this or something, but I absolutely love this, and I do recommend it just because everything was so easy to apply. And again, I may be biased because I do love Tati, but it's just so convenient. I can see myself traveling with this one. I may even order more just to have extras, you know, so just in case I'm washing it and I'm lazy or something. But I really like this. $18, and you get both of these little things. And this one, again, I think be more useful on the go if you need to apply more powder or whatever the case is. Or you can even use it, I feel like, while you're applying stuff. Sorry, I feel like I'm talking so much. I'm just so excited. So thumbs up for this one. If you're if you're planning on buying a new beauty blender or some brushes, I recommend that you try this. I mean, just give it a try. Maybe it's just me, but I absolutely love this. I honestly have not seen one review. I know that they're out there, but I wanted to keep a level-headed mind and just take it in and just try it myself and see what I thought of it. But my opinion is
I love this. I love this thing.
So congratulations, Tati. This is
amazing. Amazing. Oh my God. This is amazing.
Tati, you go, girl. This is amazing. I may purchase a few more, maybe not right now, but in the future, I can see myself repurchasing these. And yeah, so I do recommend them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of this, what you thought of my application. I'm sure I'm a noob and I need to keep trying it, but oh my gosh, I love this. Don't pay attention to my lipstick, but look at this. My lipstick, I did not apply with the Blendiful, so that's why it's ugly. Do you see that? Like, it's all just there. So yeah, anywho, thank you so much for watching this. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below. ¿Qué más? Subscribe. Love you guys.